Wondering roughly how much it'll cost you to sell your house? That's going to vary based on a lot of factors, like what you agree on upfront for agent compensation and if you offer any buyer concessions. But here's a high-level overview. Expect to pay about 2 to 4% of the sales price to cover closing costs, and make sure to factor in some repairs. These are the things you'll want to tackle before you list your house to get ahead of what the buyers may ask for. Then there's staging. This helps make sure your house shows well. But remember, what you're seeing are just a few of the estimates out here. So if you're looking for places to cut down on cost, here's what I'll tell you. I know how to make your home appeal to today's buyers and what you may want to update or repair, as well as what you can skip. And that's just a small fraction of what I'll do for you as your agent. So, want to walk through what you can expect and how I can help you? Then let's chat. Call or text me today and let's discuss your real estate plans. And remember, it really does matter who you choose to be your realtor.